Graphical LP. Graphical LP is the one solution method how to solve how to find the optimal solution when two-dimensional problem. This is two variable problem. This works only no actually conceptually this will work everywhere, but because we cannot draw the 3D or 4D, so that's why we can use only two-dimensional, two variable problem. In reality, we are not using graphical LP because we will use computer to solve the problem. But why we will go over the graphical LP is because of this will give you the pretty good idea how computer figured it out what is the answer. Okay, let's see. We will jump into the how to do the graphical LP here. Okay, example problem: a firm that assembled computer and computer equipment is about to start production of two type of microcomputer, and then what we are trying to do is maximize the profit. So we are trying to maximize the profit. And then this is the resource limitation, which means it will go to the constraint. We have assembly time, inspection time, and storage space, and then this is the type 1, type 2 computer profit, required assembly hour, required inspection hour, and storage unit, right? Okay, so we define the decision variable x1 and x2. x1 is type 1, x2 is type 2. Total, again, what is this? Is total profit. So I'm trying to maximize my total profit, but this total profit, you cannot just type in total profit. The computer will not understand what is total profit. So you have to specify using the mathematical formula. If we make a decision x1 and x2, then total profit will be calculated by this way, right? This is my objective function, including maximize. Sometimes we minimize cost, so you have to indicate this is maximization problem or minimization problem. And then subject to, this will be your constraint. First one is assembly hour is only 100, so 1 required 4 and 2 required 10 assembly hours. So the total required assembly hour should be less than or equal to 100. And inspection hour, 2 hour, 1 hour required. So depends on your decision x1, x2. So you total required inspection time should be less than 22, and the storage. So each product required 3 cubic feet storage space. So if you add these two things, this will be the total required storage area. So that should be smaller than 39 cubic feet. Maybe you have to do the several practice of the formulation, LP formulation, how to make a objective function, and how to make a constraint. Yeah, we will have one more exercise in the homework, of course.